2019 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.